multiplying fractions is really easy. Now, the next lesson I'll teach you a shortcut, but we're not going to do the shortcut today. I'm just going to show you how easy this is. You literally just multiply the top, then you multiply the bottom, and then of course, if this can be simplified, you simplify it. It's 3 simple steps. There's no cross multiplying or don't overcomplicate this. Multiply the top, multiply the bottom, simplify it. Okay, that being said, let's do the first example. So the first thing we're going to do, is multiply the top. So we get 4 times negative 3. Then we're going to multiply the bottom. We get 5 times 2. 4 times negative 3 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. Yes.
5 or 6.
No. That's close. Kind of.
Well,
okay.
6 over 5.
We're going to divide the top and bottom by 2. Negative 12 over 2 is equal to negative 6. 10 over 2 is 5. Well, you would always find the biggest number that goes into both.
Like it's just 6 and 12.
So you wouldn't always divide by 2. You could be dividing by 3 or 7 or whatever, right? Like 21 over 14, we divide both by 7. You get 3 over 2. Well, final answer for this one is, negative 6 over 5. Okay. Any other questions about that one? Multiply the top, multiply the bottom, simplify, simple. Let's do another one. We're going to do 3/4. I'll use the multiplication symbol this time. We usually use dot, but just so you guys can see it. Times 7 over 5. What you got?
21.
Okay, so the top is 3 times 7, which is 21. Bottom? 20. Now this particular one, you cannot reduce, okay? 21 and 20 do not have a common factor other than 1, so therefore this is going to be final answer. In fact, several on the assignment will be that way. So if you can't reduce it, don't reduce it. Answer 21 over 20. Let's do another one. We're going to have, let's make another negative one here.
21 over 50.
Negative 7, okay. Negative 7 over 3 times, we'll do 50 over 21. How about that?
That's a big number. It's 350 over.
You're almost there. All right, negative 350 is on the top. Negative 7 times 50. And positive 63 is on the bottom. This is kind of alluding to why we need shortcuts, because this one, if you do the shortcut, saves you some time. But for today, I'm just going to multiply straight across. Now we'll talk about that later. I don't want to talk about today. Now we just need to find the biggest number that goes into both the top and bottom. And the answer is going to be 7. Okay? When we simplify this, what's negative 350 over 7? Negative 50. Okay? 63 over 7 is what? 9. There you go. Therefore, the final answer is negative 50 over 9. Any questions on that one? Multiply straight across, reduce the fraction. That's all you have to do. We'll do one more. I will get your guys' participation on this one. Just raise your hand if you want to give me a fraction. Anybody want to share a fraction? Just raise your hand. Yes.
4 over 6.
Okay, good. 4 over 6. And what you got? 2 over 3.
8.
All right, so we're going to multiply straight across. 4 times 2 is 8. And 6 times 3 is, hold on, I do want to change this. One thing, I want to change this problem just a little bit. Let's make both of them negative. I just want you guys to remember that when you multiply negative times a negative, it ends up being positive. Now, can we reduce 8 over 18? Divide by what? 2, right? Final answer is